I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho software. Zoho provides a comprehensive suite of over 50 integrated business applications designed to streamline your operations. To begin, simply choose the specific Zoho application that best suits your needs, whether it is for customer relationship management, finance, or human resources. Then, create your account and start exploring the user-friendly interface to get acquainted with its powerful features. One of Zoho's flagship products is Zoho CRM, a powerful tool for managing all your customer interactions. You can easily track leads, contacts, accounts, and ongoing deals, keeping all vital information centralized. Zoho CRM also helps automate routine sales tasks, such as sending email follow-ups or setting reminders, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, generate detailed reports to gain clear insights into your sales pipeline and overall performance. For effective project management, Zoho Projects is an excellent choice. It allows you to organize and track all your tasks efficiently, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Team collaboration is seamless, enabling shared documents and real-time communication. You can easily set clear milestones and deadlines, helping to keep every project on schedule. Monitor progress visually using Gantt charts and accurately track time spent with integrated timesheets. The true power of Zoho lies in its ability to integrate various applications, creating a unified and highly efficient workflow. For example, connect Zoho CRM with Zoho Books for seamless invoicing and accounting processes. Link Zoho Projects with Zoho Analytics to gain comprehensive business insights across your operations. Consider leveraging the Zoho One suite, which provides over 45 applications, acting as a complete operating system for your entire business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.